about X. Like, I kind of needed to not do that during one of the sections.
Yeah, it does do that now, doesn't it? Yeah, that's something I kind of forget. It used to not be like that.
I understand why he did the change, but like at the same time, it is a bit annoying.
Bro, like it's like not even like crazy to say that like the game was just like low key better. 2.1.
Yeah. Oh my!
It's so light. It's so light. It's so
Oh my
light. But
God.
it's so light.
Oh my
though,
God.
But it's so light.
Oh
but
my
it's so
God.
light.
Oh
But it's
my
so
God.
light. But it's so light. But
Oh my
it's
God.
so light. But
Oh
it's
my
so
God.
light.
Oh
Oh
my
my
God.
God. Yo. Wait, but check out the 300 orbs though. But check out the 300 orbs though.
Dude, I almost died in the mini wave. My clicks were so weird because I was so nervous. What?
Oh my God.
Alright. Wow. only that. Okay.
Dude, this guy did what I couldn't do.
Did I lose attempts? That seems very low. Or did I just get really consistent?
I'm just really consistent. Attempts on this like don't go up that much if you can like do the pre-drop a lot.
That's
Which you were kind of doing.
my new lowest attempt count, I think.
Booyah! Booyah! Booyah!